In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add consent information to a HubSpot form or pop-up form step by step. This is essential if you're collecting user data and want to stay compliant with GDPR and other privacy regulations. Whether you're using embedded forms on landing pages or pop-up forms across your website, adding proper consent options ensures transparency and builds trust with your audience. I'll walk you through everything from opening the form editor to enabling communication and processing consent. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the drop-down, select Forms. This will take you to your Forms dashboard, where you can see all the forms you've already created, including embedded forms, standalone pages, and pop-up forms. Now, find the form you want to edit and click on its name to open the form editor. This is where you can modify fields, styling, automation, and most importantly for this tutorial, your privacy and consent settings. Once you're inside the form editor, look at the top menu tabs and click on the Options tab. The Options area is where you control additional settings related to notifications, follow-up emails, and privacy configurations. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Privacy and Consent. This is the section that allows you to add and customize consent information for your visitors. Here, you'll need to choose the appropriate consent type for your business needs. HubSpot gives you a few options. The first option is a consent checkbox, which is the recommended choice for most businesses. This adds a required checkbox that users must select before submitting the form, clearly indicating their agreement. The second option is legitimate interest, which does not include a checkbox. This is typically used when your legal basis for processing data falls under legitimate interest rather than explicit consent. However, make sure you confirm this with your legal team before choosing it. The third option is multiple communication subscriptions. This allows users to select specific types of communication they want to receive, such as marketing emails, newsletters, or phone calls. This is especially useful if you want to give users more granular control over how you contact them. Next, you'll see toggles for communication consent and processing consent. If you enable communication consent, visitors will be able to choose what types of communication they agree to receive, such as email or phone call communication. This is helpful if you manage multiple subscription types in HubSpot. Then, enable processing consent if you want to display your privacy policy and explicit consent text. This ensures users understand how their data will be stored and processed. You can customize the consent message directly in this section. Make sure your privacy policy link is accurate and up to date so users can review it before submitting their information. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check that the correct subscription types are selected and that the wording aligns with your company's compliance requirements. Once you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and click Save in the top right corner of the form editor. And that's it. You've successfully added consent information to your HubSpot form or pop-up form. Now your form is better aligned with privacy regulations and gives your visitors clear control over their data. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips, CRM tutorials, and digital marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.